how to future-proof your online business and keep it growing forever. In this video, I'll show you how to future-proof your business so it keeps growing, adapting, and staying relevant over time. No more stressing about trends or fads. Let's make sure that your business can keep thriving for years to come. Do you want to know the secret to building an online business that lasts forever? Well, maybe not forever, but you get the idea. I'm going to show you how to future-proof your online business so that it stays relevant, profitable, and successful even when trends change and the world just continues to move past. You ready for this? All right, let's jump in. With any business, whether it be brick and mortar or whether it be online, there is constant learning to be done. You have to be basically a lifelong learner as long as you are in that business, because things change and you need to keep your finger on the pulse of what is going on. Unfortunately, there is no skipping this step. The world of online businesses is always changing. New tools, new trends, new apps. If you're not staying up to date, your business might get left behind. But don't worry, you don't have to be a genius or a tech wizard to be successful at this. Just start small. Follow blogs. Listen to some podcasts. Join some communities. Basically, just keep your ears and your eyes open for the next trend that comes along. When you're always learning, you're able to adapt to those trends much more easily. And that's how you're going to stay ahead of the game. Tell me, what is the last thing that you learned about running your business? Was it a new marketing tip or was it a new tool? Share it in the comments because I'd really love to hear what you have to say. How to diversify your income streams. Look, relying on one product or one service is like putting all your eggs in one basket. What if the basket breaks? You need to have a backup. So what do I mean by diversifying? You could offer different products or services. And the key is to have more than one so that if one area of your business begins to slow down, you still have these other income streams bringing in money. So another great income stream is affiliate marketing. What you do is you go out and promote someone else's product, and when someone clicks on your link and buys that, you make a commission. So it's just like telling all of your friends about this really cool stuff. You could sell digital products. You could create online courses. You could offer consulting. You could use some expertise that you have from the past and develop it into a coaching program to teach other people who want to learn how to do the same thing. There are tons of different ways to add multiple income streams to your business. About this really cool stuff that you found. When they see it and they like it and they know that it's something that they're interested in and they buy it from you, you make money. Now I want to know, what is one idea that you have that you would consider adding as another income stream? Pop it into the comments. Let's chat about it. Here is the magic ingredient. It's consistency. You can have all the best automation tools. You can have all of those things running in the background and they can be doing their job. But if you are not showing up regularly, your business will lose momentum. Consistency, commitment, and a willingness to learn are the three things that anybody needs to be successful online. If you do not have these things, you probably want to look for some other avenue to make money. Being consistent with posting your social media content, being consistent with answering your comments, being consistent with rolling out your email automation, being consistent with newsletters, being consistent in showing up to your business every day is what's going to continue your momentum. And don't forget, you can do a lot of this stuff ahead of time. And you can schedule them out when you want them to go out. And then you coordinate the emails or the newsletters to go with that. And so they're all going out at the same time. So the automation helps you, but you are still the creative driving force behind this business. And if you don't show up, neither will your customers. But it's not just about showing up. It's about taking those numbers and refining things. It's about improving your offerings. It's about tweaking your processes and making sure that you are always providing value. Value is solving a problem. People are looking for a solution to a problem. And if you have that solution, you just have to figure out how to package it in the way that is going to attract the masses. And that's what you use your metrics for. Maybe it may mean that you have to update your website. Maybe you have to improve customer service. Or maybe you're just adjusting your pricing. The key is to never stop refining in order to get better. We're not talking about big tweaks. We're talking about little things that are barely noticeable to anyone else. But when you look back at the metrics like we discussed before, you will be able to see if these are making a positive change in your circumstances. The key is just to never stop refining. You just never want to stop getting better. This is how your business stays strong and continues to grow over time. What's one part of your business that you would like to be more consistent in? Is it creating social media content, or maybe email marketing? Maybe it's something else. Pop it down into the comments and let's discuss it. Let me see if I can give you some tips or some help. All right, let's wrap this one up. You have to be willing to continue to learn and to grow. You have to stay updated with new trends. This is just going to help to keep you ahead of the curve. You have to diversify your income streams so that you're not providing just one product or one course or one service. You have to continue to grow and diversify and add new things. It's like going to the restaurant. After 10 years of going to the same restaurant, you don't want to eat the same food. You want to have something better or improved or healthier or more on trend with eating habits at that particular time. So you have to grow and you have to push yourself outside your comfort zone, and you have to continue to learn in order to continue to grow, in order to continue to be profitable and successful. Staying consistent and continuing to refine your business is what's going to help you stay in the game over the long run. Future-proofing your business takes time, but it's totally worth it. And guess what? The sooner you start, the better. So what are you waiting for? Start future-proofing your business today. If you enjoyed anything in this video, please hit the subscribe button and hit the bell, because I don't want you to miss out on anything else that I'm going to bring to the table.